Out here again with the Ranger. Well, I'm going to show you guys this week how to do the bump steer kit. Only thing is the kit's fine. The rack and pinion that I put on last week, it is roughly 4 to 5 inches too long on both sides. So literally it's 10 inches too long, which I have a fix for that. I'm going to end up having to cut something, and I'll show you next week. But kind of ran out of time this week. I've been doing a lot of stuff around the house, putting up lights, putting up lamps, and fixing certain things and putting things away. So the bump steer kit is in here. It is on, but like I said, that bar right there, that goes right there, it is about 4 to 6 inches too long on both sides, which with that adjusted all the way in, still makes everything towed out on both sides. What? Where are you going? Hey, get off from underneath there. So I'll explain that whole thing next weekend. Been also putting things away. I put all the tools away that were here from last week. Finally got that big air tank up there. I got my set of 18-inch tires pushed up here instead of in the bed. I've got all the trash taken out. What else did I do? Put that box up there. Put some other tools away. Filled up the refrigerator. Most of you guys are going to be like, what? That's not what I put in mine. Water. Yeah. Filled that up. So now we're going to go inside. We've got about an hour's time left before we got to get out of here and go somewhere. I'm going to sneeze. That's the first time I've sneezed on YouTube. Oh. Anyway. So that's what we got going on. I put up some pictures too inside the house.
I'm not here.
You're not here?
I'm not here. I'm not here. Don't look at me. I'm not here. I'm not.
You're here?
I'm not here.
Okay. So anyway, that's what we got going on this weekend. It's a whole bunch of nothing. I know you're not here. Plus it's hot. See, I'm sweating.
I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here.
She's not here. Don't pay attention to her.
Hi.
Ow, that was my toe.
I didn't do
You
that.
just stepped on my toe with your bare feet and it hurt.
Think.
So anyway, that's it. So please stay tuned. Next week, Gina's off work next week, and we'll be back out here again. Hopefully it'll be a little bit cooler. I doubt it. I was gonna mow and weed eat, but I had one day off. I got home last night. Today's Saturday. I gotta leave out first thing in the morning on Sunday so I can make a good check for next week, and we can continue paying our bills. See you guys later. Comment at the bottom. Give us some thumbs up. Thumbs up. And subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah. I still do Snapchat every now and again. It's not as much as it used to be. I'm almost thinking about switching over to Facebook and doing my weekly like stories and stuff that I do out on the road, pictures and whatnot out there on Facebook. I don't know yet. I'm just getting tired of bouncing from website to website to website to website. Instagram, I still put up a little bit here and there on Instagram, but yeah. So stay tuned. Talk to you guys later. Earthscraper 69 everywhere.